Hello, 2 for 4,000. I just did a video, but it was longer than 10 minutes. Go figure. So, yeah. Whew. I have to do it again. I almost tripped just now. My mom just came home from work. I'm doing another video. Like the video I just made, it was longer than 10 minutes. And I'm like, figures. How you doing, Mommy?
Just fine.
Isn't she pretty? She dyed her hair.
Yep, I did.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
She said it matches my clothes.
I think that's your driver's license.
Ooh, hello. Curious to see how my picture looks. I made chicken parmesan, and I timed it so it would be ready when Mom came home from work, and she doesn't eat all day, so my tooth has been really hurting the past couple days. It hasn't really hurt today, knock on wood, but just pray for that because I can't go to the dentist until I pay off the bill. So that means I'm pretty much out of luck right now. What's new? We're going down to visit my brother tonight, which is good. It's hard going down there every week because sometimes nothing new really happened. So we're like sitting there trying to think of what to say that we haven't already said the previous week. But got a couple new things to say this time. And we usually always end up stretching it out, But we're supposed to go right when I get off from work. So, I'm going to try to make this short so I can actually, eat and stuff with my mom before I go to work. Hey, Mom?
Yeah.
Say Missouri.
Missouri.
Missouri. Did you hear that? She's always like, my dad is from Missouri. Because everybody's always like, where'd you get the accent? And she's like, I don't know. My dad is from Missouri. She's so cute. I love her. What else was I going to say? Other than the tooth thing, I've actually been doing okay. The weather has all in all been pretty nice. We had a couple days where it was like really rainy, but it's nice today. It's a beautiful day. My mom's so cute. I love it when she's all like cheery. It's a beautiful day. Anyway, I'm gonna open up this thing. Hello. It's funny the way it's angled, that flower thing on the mirror kind of makes me look like I'm wearing a hat. It's a random observation. Better be in here. Yay, it is! Ah. I look like a fat kid as usual. Those driver's license things never turns out. And my lipstick looks weird. It was red, but it looks like it's like dark pink. Like a bold dark pink. My hair looks better than the previous picture, but I look like a fat kid.
No, those pictures do that.
Or it could be possible that I really am fat.
Me too.
Oh well, at least I finally got my ID. Anyways, so I guess I'll let you go now. I don't really have anything else to say, and I think Mommy's ready to eat. Mommy! She's so cute. So I'll talk to you later, and yeah, I really want to do videos on Hoover 4000, but remember, I can't do new videos until I get my computer fixed, because I can't do the videos on my mom's computer. And it's really frustrating, because it's been a long time, I know, since I did the videos, and I really want to do more videos. Sad story. So just bear with me, and I'll do the videos as soon as I can. Okay, bye.